G'day Burpee lads and Burpee lasses. Burpees Bandit here, stealing reps, putting them in the bank of health. Health is wealth. Alright, I've just been to the gym. I've done a bit of a mix of exercises. I did do some stairs, so a bit of cardio, but mostly resistance training and wanted a bit of a cool down. I don't really cool down after I do weights. So, like do my sets and then stop like that. I always do cardio at the beginning. So I'm going to use the Supercharged burpees routine today to sandwich my weight routine that I've done today. So I've started with Stairmaster, done some weights, going to finish it off with the Supercharged routine. All right, let's do it. Got to start the time. Okay. Just gonna take this one nice and easy. did those reps very quick. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. That transition is brutal. One more rep. Time. Yes. Feels really good. Try to get a good thumbnail picture. Anyway, wow. Truly is a Swiss Army knife of burpee routines. has it all, has everything you need. All right, so that would have been 22 reps. Very happy with that. 1 every 30 seconds. I'm breaking more of a sweat than I usually do in the same amount of time at the gym. So, I'm not affiliated with any of these brands. I'm gonna have some creatine. I love these powdered greens. You know, they're just on the back of them. There's like 100 ingredients. What does it say? Like spirulina, apple fiber, wheatgrass, pea protein isolate, broccoli, spinach, ginseng, dandelion, goji berry juice, mushroom, including reishi, shiitake, ginger root, licorice, iodine, iron, vitamin B1, B5, B6, shitload of stuff, natural carotene. There's really nothing artificial in this, and you know it works because I know it works because my pee smells like asparagus. Probably, you know, within half an hour to an hour of consuming this with water. Still in the game. Tony got me into this. Coconut oil. I mix it with my yogurts, or when I have this. Love adding cinnamon to stuff, turmeric. What else was I going to mention? Got some garlic oil tablets. It's because it's coming up to winter, boosts the immune system. So yeah, that's some of the stuff I'll be consuming after this workout. Again, not getting paid to show these, I'm just showing you because I think they work. I love the powdered greens. It's like, you know, if you can't get vegetables, then have this. I can get vegetables, but I'm being lazy and preferring this because it's got so many vegetables powdered in this tub. And creatine, you know, like, we've got the best evidence for this. Just say that it improves energy, so and improves cognition, maybe. That's why I like taking it. I don't take it every day, sometimes I forget. What else was I going to say? There's something else with, I just wanted to point it out. Where is it? And also, do a Ronaldo, l'aqua, drink more water. Like, I'm one to forget to drink water and not to drink water just because, you know, I get that dopamine hit with sugar-free drinks, you know, flavors, different flavored things, energy drinks. Really just, you know, you feel shit when you're dehydrated. Force yourself to drink more water and you feel less tired, more awake, more focused. So anyway, that was a Supercharged routine to sandwich my weights routine today. Stairmaster weights, Supercharged routine. I am sweating heaps. Feel great. I'm not doing this every day. I should be, but I'm not. But yeah, lately I'm trying to post more and trying to do a few more burpee routines. So it's coming together. When you do more burpees, you eat better. When you eat better, you do more burpees. There's a good cycle. When you're just doing weights, well, I'm just doing weights, I eat more bad food, more carb and sugar-rich foods. So that's why I'm doing more burpees, to improve my nutrition. Anyway, salute to Osiris, Derek Towers. He's the first person out there to try this routine ever. And I'll always thank you for that, because really, really enjoy this. And shout out to Stephen Shook. He's doing 6 months of this routine, plus I think as many pull-ups as he can, or maybe he's capped it at 10 pull-ups per day and minimum 10,000 steps a day. He's doing that every day for 6 months. He said he's coming along really, really well. He agrees. It's the Swiss Army knife of burpee routines. I like how he's added the pull-ups to it and the walking. I think walking is phenomenal, and I'm doing more walking as well. Anyway, salute.